Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and as part of Microsoft Power Platform and Power Automate Desktop, we are going to learn each and every concept from the Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. We have covered already few concepts. So today we are going to learn how to get the subfolders in a main folder. So let's get started. So let me go to Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. If you face any issues while developing or installing the thing, let me know. I'll try to help you. Okay. So let me clear the existing previous code and now what I'll just go to folder package and here I want to get the subfolders from the main folder. So let me check, we will check manually first. We will choose any one of the folder and from there we will choose the, we will get the subfolders. Let me open any one of the folders. So this is my folder. So let's say the target is my folder. So here what I'll just manually create a few folders. Like new folder 1, folder 2, new folder 3, new folder 5, new folder 6, and new folder 7. Now I want to extract all the subfolders by using my Power Automate Desktop command. So let me select the folder that is target folder. Our folder is target folder, and then uh, here we don't need to choose anything. So here all the folder structure is going to store in a folders variable. So that is generated by the folder and let me click on save and let me use message box to display the folders. Folders name and let me select the folders and let me try to execute. So here we will get all the folder names, sorry, subfolders names in the main target folder name. Also, we can also the count of the folders also. Here you can say new folder 1, new folder 2, new folder 3, new folder 5, new folder 6, new folder 7. All the folder names we are able to get. So similar way, what we'll do, we'll try to get the folder name as well. Okay, sorry, count. So let me delete cont count is, let me choose folders. Under that we have a sub property called count. Let me select the count as well. Now I'll try to execute this code once again. Let me save this task. Something went wrong. One second, let me delete this message box. Now I want to display the count of the folders. So let me run the code to get the count of the subfolders in the target folder. So here we can see the count is 7. So that means we have 7 subfolders in the target folder. This is how we can get the all the folders and subfolders folder names in the particular folder. So please try to practice from your end and let me know if you face any issues. Next video is very important video. Why? Because so we are going to learn UI automation and web automation. So in real time scenario, each and every website. So let me open any one of the website. Okay. So here, let me try to open a Google website. Each and every website will have their own, properties, something like HTML properties. So each and every bot is trying to capture the particular elements and their properties. Okay, so let me click on inspect element. So, but we are going to learn the advanced concepts like to inspect, like how to inspect an element to the particular object and how we can customize that particular element and how we can create our own custom relative domains path, and what is this domains path and XPath expressions, and how to create these tags and what are all these tags, what is this properties, how to create a relative domains path, what is relative path and what is absolute domains path. Each and everything we are going to learn in the next session. So please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That is the very important concept for our RPA developer. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. Please share my video to your colleagues. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.